What's up guys, Venus here. Ever since the smartphone bezel started to vanish, the ultimate goal for smartphone manufacturers is to create a completely bezel-less screen, but there has been a bit of back and forth on where the front camera should be. We have seen a lot of housing designs for the front-facing camera, like the notch, that gained mainstream after Apple's iPhone X launch. Personally, I've not been a huge fan of the notch design, though other companies tried other designs like the hole punch and the pop-up cameras. Thankfully, the hidden selfie camera could be the answer to the complete bezel-less screen we've all been looking forward to. The expectation was that Samsung would be the ones to launch this tech in their upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S21, but it seems Nokia has taken the lead and could actually beat Samsung to market with their upcoming flagship, the Nokia 9.3 Pureview. Companies like Samsung, Xiaomi and Oppo have been working on this tech for some time now, but with the news that Nokia could beat them to market, it's surprising but also exciting. The under-screen camera isn't the only exciting feature the Nokia 9.3 Pureview would have. It would also have the 120Hz display, same as the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. The phone would also have a 108 megapixel Penta camera setup, similar to its predecessor, the Nokia 9. Nokia is now believed to be working with a new partner to perfect its next generation camera system. The main camera is going to be a 64 megapixel sensor with an addition of a 108 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Other features it's said to include are the Snapdragon 865 processor as well as stock Android. Although this is exciting news, I would suggest you take this information with a grain of salt. The under-screen camera tech might not be ready for mainstream use as stated by both Oppo, Samsung and Xiaomi, but in the end, Nokia could very well end up shocking the world. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, that would be amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.